day 3, you guys. Day 3 of camping. We're going fishing.
That's right.
Going
Let's
fishing.
do it.
All right. So, if you looked in your bag that kind of had your dry erase markers and your glue, you'll see a bag with some dice, a die, and some fish. Miss Rachel,
Yes.
do I have 1 fish, 2 fishies, or do I have 2 fish?
You have 2 fish.
3 must be fishies.
Still fish.
Still fish. Still fish. Doesn't matter how many I put on our lake. It's still several fish. Fish. Do you know what fish usually swim in?
Mean water?
Groups of in the water.
Oh, schools.
They're called schools.
Schools of fish.
Schools of fish. All right. So get your fish, get your die, and your dry erase marker. We are going to count our fish and put them into the lake. We're like throwing them back right now.
Yep.
Throwing them back.
Stocking our
we
lake.
got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fish.
Ooh, that's a lot of fish.
Hopefully you have 12 fish. If you don't and you have 10, cut out some more. No, just kidding. You can still play with 10 fish, but you should have 12 fish. All right. That fish might get eaten by that bear.
So scooch it away. There we go.
They love to fish.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So once you have them on, okay, we just counted. We have 12 fish. You're going to roll a die. And let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So we had 12 on here. So let's take away 6. I caught 6 fish. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So if I had 12, I took 6 away. I'm going to have them for dinner. How many do I have left swimming around?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You got it, Miss Rachel.
All right.
All right. Because I have 6 left, I'm going to do it one more time with my 6 remaining. So let's move these. So I have 6. And then I'm going to catch 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So I had 6. I caught 3. How many's free?
1, 2, 3.
That's kind of crazy that we just did 12
And 6.
and 6 and left 6. And then we did 6. We rolled 3 and we have 3 left.
It's crazy.
Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. All right. Once you get down to that, go ahead and pull the rest of the fish off. That was a little bit of subtracting, right? We were taking away. Once you get better at it, you can even start writing the numbers down at the bottom. Okay, so we had 12, and then we took away 6, so it left us 6. All right. Or, always, if you don't know how to write your numbers yet, but you can do the dots, go ahead and write it that way as well. All right. All right, so we did a little subtraction. So you can keep playing that way. Put all the fish back, keep rolling until you get down to none. Or, once your fish are off the board, we can add them back. Okay. So, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Once you put them back, see if you can write that number 4. See if you can add the dots. All right. And then erase it. Try it again. You can keep doing it that way. Miss Chrissy was just thinking. I wonder if we could take our catapult from Monday and make flying fish.
Are you going to launch these fish,
Oh,
Miss
I
Chrissy?
might.
Oh, boy,
I
here
might.
we go.
I might.
I'm going to back
I
up a
might.
little bit. We got to see this.
Miss Chrissy just goes crazy.
She's full of ideas.
Okay, so
You got
4.
to launch 4 fish.
I've got to launch 4 fish. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you're doing them all at once.
I'm gonna do them all at once.
This is gonna be great. I cannot wait.
All right, let's see how many I can get on there.
Oh
my
not
goodness!
bad.
I got 2 on there.
That's pretty good.
Look at that.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty funny. So much fun we have. All right, you guys, you can use this so many different ways. So, if you get bored of just using your hand to try to put them on your board, roll the dice, count them out, and see if you can get them on your little fishing board here in our lake with a beautiful waterfall. I would like to be sitting around there.
Oh yeah.
Not by the bear.
No, on the other side by the waterfall, please.
Yeah, up
yeah.
here.
Not by the
Up
bear.
here.
Nope.
All right, I'm really impressed with my skills. All right, that fish didn't go too far, but so much fun. Okay. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. All right, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to put them all on there.
Ooh, let's see it.
Let's see. Because I can.
Exactly.
All right, we had what? 12 fish.
12 fish. Let's see it.
Okay.
There we go.
Still only 2. One was like floundering outside. Super fun. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. When you are done playing, please put everything back into the bag so you can use it on a rainy day. See you tomorrow.